A red apple sits on the green grass. 2 blue butterflies flutter near the flowers. 3 yellow daisies bloom in the sunshine. 4 pink balloons float in the clear sky. 5 orange pumpkins rest on the ground. 6 purple grapes hang from the vine. 7 green leaves rustle in the breeze. 8 white clouds drift slowly above. 9 brown acorns lie on the path. 10 bright stars sparkle at night. 11 colorful marbles roll in a line. 12 silver coins shine in the sun. 13 tiny ants march up the hill. 14 tall trees sway gently. 15 red roses grow beside the fence. 16 shiny pebbles line the riverbank. 17 playful kittens chase each other. 18 bluebirds sing in the morning. 19 fluffy bunnies hop through the grass. 20 cheerful children play in the park. Look at the rainbow in the sky. We are in a sunny park today. The flowers bloom in many colors. A gentle river flows nearby. Children laugh and play everywhere. Trees provide shade for everyone. The sun shines bright and warm. Birds chirp sweet melodies up high. Butterflies dance from flower to flower. A rainbow arches over the playground. Kites fly joyfully against the blue. Meet Pinky Pickles with bright pink hair. She wears a colorful dress with sparkles. Pinky loves counting and exploring. Her friend, Benny the bunny, hops beside her. Benny is fluffy and very friendly. They both smile with excitement today. Pinky holds a basket full of treats. Benny carries a small map of the park. Together, they look for colorful treasures. Adventure awaits just over the hill. Pinky sees a big rainbow. Let's count how many steps it has. Benny jumps with joy. Counting steps sounds fun. They run toward the rainbow. Pinky counts aloud, 1, 2, 3. Benny hops excitedly, 4 and 5. They spot the first step, so bright. Pinky says, let's find all 20. Benny nods and grins wide. Pinky counts 12 purple flowers. Benny counts 13 shiny pebbles. How many butterflies do you see? Count the blue butterflies with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 pink balloons sway by the tree. Look at 6 fluffy clouds. 7 trees stand tall and proud. 8 cheerful kids play tag nearby. 9 red ladybugs crawl on leaves. What a bright and colorful sight. 10 happy bunnies hop together. 11 sparkling stars peek out now. 12 colorful balls roll home. 13 stripes on the rainbow, wow! 14 sweets in Pinky's basket. 15 smiles from everyone we see. 16 colorful marbles in a row. 17 cheerful songs fill the air. 18 footsteps lead to the picnic. 19 wishes on the breeze. 20 giggles make the day bright. They find a little muddy patch. Pinky suggests they walk slowly. Benny shares, let's hold hands. They wait patiently, looking both ways. Thank you for sharing, Benny. Pinky smiles and waves at a friend. Please, let's help each other. They take turns counting the steps. Pinky says, let's be kind. Benny adds, together is better. They find a rainbow treasure map. The map shows a surprise picnic. They team up to find the goodies. Benny helps Pinky read the map. A blue kite is by the tree. They laugh as they race each other. A friendly squirrel points the way. Thank you, little squirrel. They cheer. They discover a basket full of snacks. Teamwork makes every moment special. Pinky remembers, 1 apple, 2 treats. Benny smiles, 3 cups for juice. 4 colorful cupcakes on a plate. 5 happy friends join the picnic. They all sit under a big tree. The rainbow taught us to count. 1 to 20, what a great time. We saw colors all around us. Pinky and Benny learned to share. Kindness spreads like a rainbow. Let's thank the sun for shining bright. Let's remember to smile and play. We counted, shared, and laughed together. Always be kind and happy every day. Let's enjoy this cozy ending now.